Hello everybody and welcome to this presentation of the Bona FlexiSand 1.9. I'll start off simply by lifting the handle. Very handy system for packaging, for transporting and lifting. This is probably the most versatile machine that you could have in your van or your trailer. And the beauty of it is it has so much flexibility through the number of attachments that you can fit to it. You could have it simply sanding between coats with a 405 disc. It fits the now famous PowerDrive, the Bona Quattro, concrete grinding attachments. A little later on we'll show you operating the Ergo Edge to the Bona PowerDrive Connect system. To display the flexibility of the PowerDrive, this is the PowerDrive Connect system. Connect obviously to enable a number of different attachments to fit to the machine. This is your standard pad that would come with your PowerDrive Connect, 150mm Velcro disc that will certainly take the likes of your ceramic disc. This is a 50 grit Bona ceramic disc, fits there like so. If you're looking for a far more aggressive sand with this machine, steel plates. The steel plates are available through your local Bona supplier. Fit that on, and again, your 50 grit, 40 grit, or any other ceramic abrasive at 150mm is perfect. Well, we've been talking about standard sanding, just cutting back and preparing floor for finishing. Let's talk about something a bit more creative, like wire brushing. The PowerDrive Connect enables the wire brush from Bona to fit to the PowerDrive Connect, obviously all 4 discs running at once. The idea is for the wire brush to remove the soft grain from the timber, leaving the hard grain. It's perfect on European oaks, but equally good on Australian eucalypts. After the wire brush, you follow up with a nylon brush, the Tynex brush. Again, that's for preparation prior to the sanding of the floor with the PowerDrive with a 120 grit abrasive prior to applying 1 coat of oil or even 2 coats of oil of different colours. Now, if you want any more information about this, oils, the wire brush system or the PowerDrive Connect, of course we're online right now and you can give us a call or you can contact your local Bona supplier. We'll come back to the PowerDrive Connect in a moment for the Ergo Edge, and we'll show you the machine in action in just a few moments. But I want to take a moment to show you the Bona concrete grinding attachment, which also fits to the FlexiSand 1.9. This comes with a couple of discs. These are diamond segments, 4 on each plate, but they can be removed. They're magnetically attached. There's also a PCD segment that can be used for the removal of the likes of glue and rubbish that may be on the surface before grinding with these to flatten or level the surface, and simply magnetised and they're locked on. So now what today's all about, the Ergo Edge. This is the Ergo Edge plate, obviously 4, again fit to the PowerDrive Connect system. You'll notice to start with, this is a 178mm disc, same size as your typical edger disc. Importantly, this is flexible, which enables it to get closer to the edge. The Ergo Edge system is designed to reduce your edge sanding to nearly nothing. Fixing the intermediate pad to the Ergo Edge, and then your abrasive. And then of course, clipping on. Now we're going to see it in action.
Sanding just got better. With a constant focus on better work processes and results, the Bona FlexiSand range lifts sanding to a higher level with the Bona Ergo Edge for faster, upright, ergonomic sanding. The new Bona Ergo Edge enables you to sand wider and closer than ever. Thanks to its 178mm wide curved discs, you can now perform 90% of all edge sanding while standing upright, without changing machine. Edge sanding is an integral part of all sanding. Traditional edge sanders give you the right reach and control of corners and edges, but edge sanding is often time-consuming, as well as grueling, with a lot of time spent kneeling. With Bona Ergo Edge, a normal working day with 3.5 hours spent crouching on the knees can now be reduced to a mere half an hour, transforming a grueling process into an uplifting sanding experience that you can enjoy. When you buy the Ergo Edge kit, you will receive 4 178mm discs, 4 interface pads and a distance wheel. These components make up the Ergo Edge kit. To be able to use the disc, you need to have a Bona PowerDrive Connect plate with the Connect click system. The Ergo Edge discs are easily mounted on the PowerDrive Connect disc with a simple click system. The discs themselves have a unique patent-pending concave shape which places more pressure on the edge of the disc, reaching closer to the wall, and it also affects the sanding power, which increases. Interface pads pick up vibration and make the machine run more smoothly. It is possible to use the Ergo Edge without the pads to reach even closer to the wall, but it will come to the cost of increased vibration, so be prepared for this if you choose to work without them. To sand close to the wall without damaging skirting boards or the sanding discs themselves, a distance wheel should be mounted on the machine, on the side facing the wall. Attach it with a supplied hex screw. The distance wheel uses the same screw hole as the holder for the extra weights, but there is no conflict, as extra weights should not be used together with Ergo Edge. Ergo Edge stands for ergonomic sanding, but it should be noted that the Ergo Edge also delivers a more powerful sanding. More powerful sanding means greater strain on other components. The new PowerDrive Connect is equipped with a stronger tower or spacer, which also has the benefit of lowering vibration during sanding. If you already own a PowerDrive Connect, then it is possible to purchase the tower separately and upgrade your existing units. Sanding wooden floors can be very satisfying, but few appreciate the edge sanding part. Maintaining a lean forward position for an extended period is tough on the back and hip, and the knees take a hit if sanding large spaces. With the Ergo Edge, the remaining edge sanding is reduced to a minimum, and sometimes one is even freed from it completely. The Ergo Edge means better everyday ergonomics for professional craftsmen. Another huge advantage is to save time. Using the Ergo Edge removes 90% of the time spent on edge sanding. Basically, the Ergo Edge will have paid for itself in 1 month in saved work hours, and the softer back you'll have at the end of the day is almost priceless. As you can see, the Ergo Edge reaches almost all the way up to the wall. If the skirting boards are removed during the sanding, they will often cover the remaining uncut line when refitted. The remaining line of lacquer to the edge is quickly removed with an edge sander. Make this cut before making the final sanding with the FlexiSand. If you are finishing with the lacquer, then you're good to go. If staining, complement with the SupraFlex along the edges afterwards. For sanding the center of the room, attach and use 150mm sanding discs. The 178mm discs are tough to handle on large surfaces, and sustained use for center sanding is not recommended. Ergo Edge sands with very high efficiency without any extra weights on. The bigger discs and their concave shape produce a lot of sanding power. Please observe that the Ergo Edge should not be used with extra weights. It compresses the interface pads too much, places a lot of strain on the machine, and you're likely to blow the electrical fuse as the power consumption increases. The powerful sanding quickly removes a lot of material from the surface. Have a DCS-70 connected and check the level occasionally. The DCS-70 may not pick up all the larger pieces, but picks up everything that would otherwise go airborne. The suction from the DCS also keeps a steady airflow down at the disc housing, helping to cool the discs. To handle the high sanding pressure and get the anti-static benefit, it is important to work with high-quality abrasives. The Ergo Edge works with all Bona 178mm discs. Try our new Bona Net abrasives for an incredibly effective medium and fine sanding.
So there you go. As I said at the beginning, the most versatile machine on the market. The FlexiSand 1.9 with concrete grinding attachment, the PowerDrive, the wire brushing, and of course the Ergo Edge, which you've just seen in operation. A fabulous machine. If you'd like some more information about it, contact your local Bona supplier or contact us via bona.com.au.